Now that we are Canadian dollars, Canada dollars, we will need to start with the index to know what's actually happening with the currency. So on the index, the monthly time frame as first. So on the monthly time frame of Canadian dollars, we can see it's been on a downtrend. It's been selling, selling, selling. So August last year, August 2000 and August 22, 2022, it started showing sign it was going to go up. It wasn't agreeing with the downtrend, but trying to reverse and form an uptrend. So for it to form an uptrend, it needs to take its time to figure out it wants to go on an uptrend. So people selling will give up. So those time starts ranging for like a year. But deep down, we know it's on a downtrend. Why the S is on a downtrend? We need to go to the weekly time frame to know that it hasn't reversed back to an uptrend. So an uptrend. So we know it's still on a downtrend. So on the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, like I said, instead on it started showing it's going to like change it to an uptrend. Then it started ranging for like a year or so. So since it hasn't crossed above this blue line represents the trend line. It hasn't crosses above it. We are still under this line. I should draw the line properly so you could see. Yep, should do. So we see it only tested this our yellow monthly line. Once you see this yellow line, it stands for the monthly time frame. Our yellow support line touches this once, start raging, but it didn't break above this our trend line. We know it's still on a downtrend. So any trade any currency we are going to trade against Canadian dollars, we know Canadian dollars is what is weak. So for us to now take advantage of this our index analysis of Canadian dollars index, we need to go to other pair. We'll start with Australian dollars, Canadian dollars. So on the monthly time frame, so on the monthly time frame from Australian dollars, Canadian dollars, we can see it has been on a what? On a downtrend. It's been going down. But something funny happened on what was that? This year, well, this year September, it tested this support line again and started reversing up, which aligns with our analysis of Canadian index, which is weak. It shows us that Canadian dollar is weak and now it's going up. It means Australian dollar it has more strength than Canadian dollars. It has tested this line year, and this year September it also tested this line. Now we know we have to buy. Now for us to know where exactly to take our position, we need to go to the lower time frame. So we'll start with the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, it's been going up. So what are we going to do? Actually, what we're going to do is we need to go to the lower time frame again, because we know it has gone above this our support line. Is above it. Then we need to go to lower time frame to like find where we are going to enter into the trade. So on a daily time frame, we can see started to range. I should remove this. It started to range. We know we are buying. Anything that is happening, we are buying. We ain't selling. Started to range. Why did I say started to range? Let's draw a trend line. So on trend line, we can still see. What's this? You can still see it's an uptrend. It's going up, but it's kind of acting funny here, which shows it wants to go down a bit to correct itself and then buy. So for now, we'll probably have to wait for it to go down till around. Oh, I need to get my tools. Where's those arrows? Sorry for taking your time. It's weird. I've at least used this. So want it to like go down probably yeah, yeah or yeah. So problem is goes down here or here. Let's assume it goes down around here, touching this line here. Then you take a trade for it to touch here or here. That's what actually is going to happen for Canadian Australian dollars. Australian Canadian dollars is a buy. So let's go to Canadian dollars, Japanese yen. One more currency on Canadian dollars. So on the Canadian dollars, Japanese yen, it aligns with our analysis of the Canadian index, which shows what Canadian dollar is weak. So oh, when was this? Last year September, it make an impression here and formed the resistance line, which is this yellow line here. Then we took note of the yellow line, the resistance line, through it since last year September. So unfortunately, this year September again, it came here, and once it got here, it started reversing down, it started going down, forming a downtrend. And from our Canadian dollars index, we know Canadian dollar is what is weak. So since we know it's weak, and this is showing that it's weak here, we need to start shorting. So for us to know when we are going to like take a trade, we need to go to lower time frame, go to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, a lot of things have been happening. It touches here, which is a September, yeah. Then it went down, touches here again. This last month, November. The thing happening here is it needs to agree. The people buying who has been long are taking their position and people are selling. So it's kind of been raging around here. But with us, because this year trades to take. People are selling, people are shorting. People that has bought since years ago, probably much here, stop you sign here. Start taking their profits. So they're taking their profits. Some people are already shorting it, shorting it. So it's kind of ranging happening around here. But we can see opportunities to take a trade. Let's go into the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, um a lot of things is going on here. We see we can still sell, but I advise you not to trade it. But if you like really want to trade it, let's go on. We see it's buying, it's selling, it's buying, it's selling, it's ranging. So for us to like find more details on what to do, we need to go to lower time frame. Let me give you an hint. Yeah, this looks much better. See it, once you see this yellow green line, it's the support or resistance line for the daily time frame, and we're on the daily time frame. It broke below it. So once we know it's below it, it's below the resistance line, we start selling because we know we have to short. Only once it gets here, then we'll stop shorting. Since it has broke below it, you need to look for opportunities to what to sell. Then go to the 4 hours time frame to know when we are going to enter into the trade. So on the 4 hours time frame, on the 4 hours time frame, it has already started selling. You probably missed the trade, but there's still chance of you going into the trade. This is what actually is happening. Hope you can see what's happening here. So if you are take the trade here and trade it down here, that's how many pips? That's like 140 pips, and you risk 60 pips. It doesn't actually make sense. That's ratio 2 to 1. I prefer like 3 to 1 or 4 to 1. 2 to 1 doesn't really make sense. But lucky for us, we can trade the lower time frame, which is what, 15 minutes, to like make real deal of the profit. So on the 15-minute time frame, yep, on the 15-minute time frame before the end of the day, there was a trade here. But since the market has closed, there's no point taking. Oh, I hope this is clear. It looks clear. Since the market closed yesterday, which is Friday, there's no point taking the trade here. So we would have left it. So this is what's going to happen. You can see this dotted line, the main support and resistance. The market open luckily, we take a trade here, take a trade here, take our profit here. It can touch here, reverse, then come back here. Then this is the perfect time to take it again. Perfect time to take a trade. Take a trade here. Take the profit here or here. So that's always going to happen. Canadian dollars, Japanese yen. So next page we are going to go to is Swedish francs, HCHF.